Also, I know hardly anyone watches these, and that's why I'm kind of using this vlog as a way to test the settings on my camera. I may have to just use my phone camera for doing the hair videos and stuff if I can't figure out good enough settings for this, which would be okay. It'd be fine. I really like having a separate camera to be able to film with, but I need it to look good too, so that's part of it. I've been having the strong desire to alter a pair of jeans, and I bought a pair of jeans specifically for this reason, and I want to like cut up the knee holes. Let me show you the jeans I have here. I can't decide if I want to like do ripped here or like cut an actual hole in the knee. I can't decide. I think I'm gonna go ahead and watch some YouTube video tutorials and give it a try. And what I'll probably do is try to make them ripped at the knees first and see how I like that, and if it sucks or it doesn't look good, I will cut a big old hole into the knee.
After, and then what it is like after, no. You need a pair of, what is this called? Like pluckers?
Tweezers.
It's like an eyebrow plucker. I think that's what it's called, whatever. And then you need so they're like loose. So it's pretty much gonna be a big line, 2 smaller lines, and then 2 smaller lines, okay? So let's try that. So they need to be straight because in here are fibers that are go like this, right? We're done now. And 2 smaller lines, okay? So let's try that. So then you're gonna cut all the fibers and it's not gonna look really nice. So, I don't know if I'm explaining that right, but whatever. These things. See these things?
Yeah.
That's the jean part, and you're just pulling it off. Okay?
Okay.
And this takes forever and a day, but it's worth it.
So I just got a text and a phone call reminding me of where I was going with the whole thing about I can't get rid of these kids. I love my kids. There was Hurricane Nicholas. They knocked power out of the elementary school that my kids go to. All the schools were closed for Monday and Tuesday of this week. They went to school for a week, had COVID, so they were home for 2 weeks. They went back to school for a few days because there was Labor Day, so it was 4 more days of school, and then 3 more days off for my youngest ones and 2 for my middle schooler. Her school had power today, so she got to go to school this morning, and my elementary kids are still home today, but they have officially restored power and will be going back tomorrow. So hopefully we can just get on with a relatively normal school year from here on out. Hopefully that can happen. Okay, I've watched this video by Ricely Estella. I will try to remember to link that in the comments, but it was pretty much the first video that came up when I typed in cutting holes in jeans. So it was really good, really informative. It's for the ripped look, so I'm going to try that first, see how I like it, and yeah, I will show you before and afters of these jeans, and I'll show like a little bit of the process, but it's a lot. It seems like it's going to be a little time consuming, so I'm probably not going to show the whole process. If you want to see how it's done, you can watch Ricely Estella's video. I'll certainly show you better than I probably can. no, I have not finished the jeans. That takes forever. Forever. And I didn't have the patience to do it yesterday. And my husband came home and we decided to watch a movie. We watched The Voyeurs. It's on Amazon Prime, and I kept getting ads for it here on YouTube. So we watched it. What is in there? Do you see that? It looks like a dog hair. It may very well be a dog hair. We got dog hairs everywhere, but that's gross. Just gonna dump that out and pretend that didn't happen. We enjoyed it. We've also been watching 9 Perfect Strangers on Hulu. Dude, that show just gets better and better. Hang on while I make my coffee. Also, check out the doggy door. My husband did that. My husband, the handyman, he is the best. It's been really nice. It was kind of funny trying to get the dogs to use it at first. Bella got it pretty quickly, the German Shepherd, but our Doberman Duke was not having it at first. We had to shove him through like the first couple times and then like really coax him after that. He's thinking about it. We've had it for a few days and he's still like a little bit nervous about it, but he does go out and use it. We got rid of the dog crates altogether now because they can go in and out whenever they want. And that was kind of just the main reason for it. Like we didn't want to leave them out during the night in case they would have to go to the bathroom. With the doggy door, that kind of eliminates that whole issue. So it's been really nice so far. Check out the drip. I think that's what the kids are calling it these days, right? I'm such a dork. Go outside. Go outside. That's my boy. I think I'm gonna go ahead and continue on with these jeans. I'm really curious to see how they're gonna come out. Here is the finished product. I don't know if you can really, am I in frame? I can't tell. But looking down, they look pretty cute. Pretty cute. Do I need to open this stand farther back maybe? Oh no, that's no. That's no. Maybe I just need to open the mirror and show you that way. Check it out. Oh gosh. Little stripes right there. And yes, I have stuff all over my counter. What can I say? I'm a slub. But yeah, I kind of love them. I'm happy I did it, even though it was very time consuming. It took me a while. We'll just say that. It took a while. I didn't time it, but definitely more tedious than I was expecting.
Hey, Belle. What you doing? What you doing?
Alright, I don't know if y'all saw this earlier in the video, but I need to take care of this wall. We had the dog crates, big huge dog crates in front of this section of the wall for like forever. Forever. But now that it's visible, I need to take care of it. Hopefully the dogs will stay out of my way, and then I'm gonna need to paint this. Duke, stop it. I need to paint this strip. The crates had kind of rubbed against them at some point and left holes there. Luckily, I do have paint to go over this.
This sweet boy. He's my baby.
No, there's ants on the dog food. Every cleaning project with Clorox wipes can I'm going to be decorating my house for fall as well. So that'll be fine. And I got a lot of fall decorations, let me tell you. I've got a lot. dog food fell out of their bowls. And now ants are just coming in through this doorway. Cause you keep spilling your food. Why do you do that? Why do you do that, Joey? I forget you. I'm gonna have to do the floor last because there's ants down here and they scare me. I'm scared of ants. Now I gotta take care of these ants. This is one of the best things I found to take care of them, the Raid ant baits. So what I'm gonna do is just sweep up the pieces of dog food they're going for and dump those outside and then clean this area, and where they were, I'm going to put the ant baits. And then once they're gone, then I'll clean up that little section right there. But besides that, it's looking a lot better. The wall could use a little bit more scrubbing from like the smudging and stuff. But after that, I'll just paint over the parts that need to be painted. All right, while I'm waiting for the ants to disperse and go away and hopefully die. I hate ants. Maybe some lunch and then play me some video games. I'm gonna play Red Dead Redemption 2. That's like my fave. It might be my favorite video game of all time. I play it all the time. Ooh, can you see me? I don't think so. Echo, turn on cabinet. My husband did that too. He is so handy. Doesn't help much for the lighting here though, does it? Oh well. My beef cream cheese rolls are made. I'm also going to have this Tostino's creamy spinach dip, which is so good. I'm sorry, I know the light's like really bad right here, but this. I'm gonna have this with some scoops. Yeah, that's gonna be my lunch. I'm gonna finish watching this interview podcast of Steve-O's Wild Ride with Jodie Sweetin. I started it earlier, it looked really interesting, so I'm gonna finish watching this, and I just barely started it, but I'm gonna finish it up now. And then play some video games. The next time you'll probably see me is tomorrow. I'm videoing. Oh. I know. Are those delicious?
Yeah. My tongue's probably not gonna change though.
Your tongue's not quite blue yet, so. You're at a chalk festival today. Whatever that is. I just saw it on Facebook and I was like, let's go. So here we are. Just us girls today. The boys were not interested. Also, it's Saturday. I had to put my hair up. It was too hot. But it's Saturday. Nothing really interesting at all happened yesterday, so I just skipped vlogging that day.
I'm gonna be in soccer as well.
Yeah, we just signed Zoe up for her first sport last night.
And I'm thinking about signing up for the swim team.
Swim team? That's what you're interested in?
Yeah.
That'd be cool. We could probably make that happen.
Because I am really good at swimming.
You are.
I always feel like the frog that needs it. Not.
is so hot out here. I cannot wait for fall weather. Can't come soon enough. We don't get much fall weather here in Southeast Texas, unfortunately. It's supposed to be a bit of a cold front next week though. It's supposed to be in the low 80s by Wednesday, so praying that comes to pass. Alright, I think I'm going to end the vlog here. We had a nice little time here. We spent like 30-45 minutes walking around, looking at the art, drawing, playing on the playground, but it's too dang hot to stay any longer, unfortunately. But we saw some pretty cool pictures, and Jonathan?
Yeah.
I didn't have fun. I had super califragilisticexpialidocious.
Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry if the air conditioners are loud. We gotta put it on blast so we can cool off in here, but thank you so much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.
Bye.